Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Richard Dragon Car. Today I will go to hunt some cars. Now I bring this box, a big box, and go to find some interesting car. We found nothing here. Let's go ahead. Oh everyone, we see a lot of cars here. There are a lot of cars on bamboo tree. Excavator everyone, very nice this one, pretty cool this one, with a hero, a mini excavator with yellow color. Red car, Spider-Man. Monster truck. This one so cool. Lot of car everyone. I'm so happy this morning to see these cars. I love red color. How about this one? I think this is a very nice one. A remote control monster truck. Wow, so many. Shoot color everyone, shoot color. I cannot speak fluently, but I try to speak. If you don't understand, don't mind me everyone. I hope this video can make you happy. A nice excavator. How about this one? So nice. After a heavy raining in my area, so now I make this video for you. Just looking for or go hunting. Just looking for or go hunting some toys or some cars. Airplane, short airplane. A green bus. in my country, these cars cost cheaper than other country. This one is very nice, everyone. Okay, now I found lot of cars around here. Let's check this, everyone. Wow, lot of cars. Okay, now my box full of other cars. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. See me next time or watch other interesting next time.